look a little bit tired because I don't know, I've been sleeping lately like normally, but when I wake up in the morning I'm still tired. So I have a little bit of a dark circles, but that's fine. And today I have a couple of things on my plan. What I want to do today, I need to wash my hair. I want to go on a walk with the new dog. This is the new dog. His name is Bricks. Sydney. Oh, so sweet, so sweet. I want to sort through my photos and put them in the photo albums because every summer I print a bunch of photos. I make photo books from like little trips and stuff. Oh, I also need to go eat breakfast because I haven't done that yet. So every summer I print photos and photo books, but this year I ordered it like very last minute, and then I had to go to Madrid for the next semester to study abroad, and the photos came like 2 days after I left. I bought so many. This is crazy. I've never printed so many photos. So that's another thing I want to do. We have a Christmas dinner with my dad and my sisters tonight. Oh, I want to wash him. Oh, dog. Right, because you stink a little. I think that's pretty much it. I should also unpack the stuff I brought because I was moving this summer, and there's a huge bag on the floor right there. I really don't want to do it because I don't have anywhere to put it. Anyways, the point of this is that this is a vlog of my day and you can tag along, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay. Look at the sun. So pretty. I mean, it's just beautiful. This is crazy. I mean, the thing is, it doesn't really feel like winter and Christmas because it's it's not warm outside, but there's no snow because it was snowing, of course, right before I came home, because that always happens. It's snowing, it's beautiful outside, everyone's freaking out, everyone's posting on social media, and then I come home and it's all melted. Yeah, I think that's it. It doesn't really feel like Christmas, but it's kind of cold, like the air is kind of crispy, so it's so pretty. And I mean, I'm not gonna complain about the sun, of course. I recently got bangs, so this is kind of what we're dealing with right now. I filmed this update like half an hour ago, and then I went back to watch the footage and part of my head was cut off. And I am a little bit of a perfectionist, so I was thinking I would refilm it, but then I was sitting here doing absolutely nothing for the half an hour. But what I was saying in the video is that I am tired. Honestly, I don't know what's going on, but I went outside with the dog. We went for a walk for like an hour. Then I washed him. He didn't like it too much, so I had to go into the shower with him and like kind of trapped him in there. So that was a whole thing. And then I was saying I would go read, which, as you know, I didn't. So I'm currently reading the book Man and Boy by Tony Parsons, and I think I'm done with like 2/3 of the book. The other two things that I forgot to mention in the morning that I have to do are pack for my ski trip because I'm leaving tomorrow. It was kind of spontaneous because my mom was going, and one of the person out of the group that was supposed to go, she got injured, and so they have a free spot and they're going to Italy. So I was like, this is a great opportunity. So I said yes, so I'm going. We're gonna come back on the 23rd at night, which is pretty uncommon for me because I like my traditions around Christmas and stuff. But like I said, it's an opportunity that I didn't want to pass. And the other thing is, I want to decorate my room with Christmas decorations because a couple of years back, we bought like this fake small Christmas tree, and then I have these little houses with, I think, like fake candles inside, or maybe just some lights. And then I probably have some other stuff that I forgot about, so I have to go retrieve it from the, what is it called, the attic. I also need to go eat something because I'm hungry and it's lunchtime. So I think that's what I'm gonna go do first. Then I'm gonna read for a bit, and then maybe I need to still wash my hair and sort through the photos. And just, it's all things that are fine, but I'm tired, so, and lazy, and I'm cold, so I just want to cuddle here, cuddle up with my blanket and do nothing. But I have to do stuff, so I'm gonna go eat and motivate myself to continue doing stuff today. I have to say, I really like this book. It's about a couple that has a little boy, a little son, and then it like doesn't work out between them, and so then the girl moves to Japan or something, or like goes there for a couple of weeks or months. Honestly, I don't know, because the timeline isn't explained well. And then the guy finds a new girlfriend that also has a little girl. But I love, like, I didn't highlight in this book because I have a thing where I started highlighting in my books quite recently. I think I started either this semester or even maybe last semester, but I don't know, it just feels weird. It felt really weird for me to just like write into a book for the first time, but now I got used to it. But whenever I start a new book, like within the couple of first pages, I have to decide if I think it's gonna be worth it to highlight at a book, because I wouldn't want to start highlighting or like highlight just one sentence in the whole book, because I mean, what if I didn't like it and wanted to sell it, you know? I didn't do it with this book, but now I saw a couple of really good quotes. I want to read them if I can find them. The first one was where the guy talks about the little girl and how he knows he will never be able to, quote unquote, be better than her biological father, and how when he saw him, he got a little bit jealous. That's what made her giddy with joy, not the motorbike or the pizza or the stupid stuffed toy the size of a fridge, but the fact that this was her dad. I knew I could live with the reminder of another man's I could even love her, and I could compete with a motorbike and a giant stuffed toy and a prettier face than my own, but you can't compete with blood. So I really like this one. Then the dad was thinking about like divorces and how it's pretty common because he, like I said, he also has a girlfriend with a daughter, and he's talking about it to his dad, to the little boy's grandfather, and he says, "You grew up with two parents around," he said. "At least you had some idea of what a marriage looked like, what a marriage could be, but they don't have that, do they? Pat and Peggy and all the rest of them. No, they don't. And I just worry what it's going to do to them. If divorce is just something that everyone does, then what chance is there for their marriages and for their children?" We were on the wooden bench just outside the kitchen door, sitting in the 3 o'clock twilight, watching Pat poke around with his lightsaber at the far end of the garden. Everything just seemed so broken up, my dad said. I can't find the passage that I wanted to read. Oh, here it is. But maybe growing up with divorce will make them more careful about getting into a marriage and more determined to make it work when they do. Do you really think so? My father said hopefully. I nodded, but only because I didn't have the heart to shake my head. And I have one last one. Sometimes we are only aware of how happy we are when the moment has passed. But now and again, if we are very lucky, we are aware of happiness when it is actually happening. I love this one so much. And I would have highlighted it if I started doing it from the beginning. But at least I have it here. Maybe I'll remember it then. Good morning again. This was the craziest sunset I've seen, I think, ever in my village and like in my country, because in Madrid I'm kind of used to these like colors and like the sunset being all over the sky, but here I don't think I've ever seen it, and it's beautiful. It's like such an amazing thing to wake up to. Anyways, as you saw, I didn't finish all the things I wanted to, but I mean, it's fine. That's completely normal. I didn't even write it down as like a to-do list because it was totally fine. But today I think I need to cut my toenails because if I'm going to ski, it's a very dangerous thing. And then I will decorate. I finally took down the Christmas decorations from the attic. So I just need to clean and organize my room, and then I can decorate it. And then I just need to finish packing for the ski trip because I prepared some things and now I just need to put it in one luggage or backpack. I think that's fine because I'm leaving around 2 p.m. so I don't have that much time. Okay, let's try to tackle this mess. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm going on my ski trip. I packed. I didn't manage to do all the things I wanted to, but like I said before, it's fine. And I cleaned up my room. I unpacked, which is a big step. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.